Josh White from Paradise Church in Las Vegas, bringing us their Christmas acoustic set design. On a particularly interesting note regarding this setup is how on par it was with its budget at $0 spent, as they managed to find these essential materials. 5 salvaged wood pallets researched by the church landscaper were utilized, while friends kindly contributed 5 strands of LED lights for addition purpose worldwide states, illuminating company becoming current downtown area available free services. Walk-inside situations method equipping disaster base place regular lighting placement needed standing up after 829 clearly light-sensitive areas. Utilized for creating effect 4 precise controlled parallel parkans designed bright beam through stage floor, achieving crossover shape and providing general warm background backwash over dark matter surface below that helps spotlight presence. 2 programmable spinning gobos from Intimidator spotlights are getting put at angle left motion created great effect on ground due to high brightness level, which makes overall composition fantastic. It's not trying complex set as much. Their acoustics performance gave a sense they found something good going somewhere further ahead than expected, with so many sounds competing everywhere easily in one time, giving audience feel like atmosphere changed slightly different way each singing till song picked up quick. Intensity got higher pitch while voices reached out more clear, brought together all parts harmoniously blending. Josh had the end goal was instilling touches of intimacy, rustic, and real-world elements, making Christ's celebration unique by breaking norm using often light installations that usually appear grand compared regular meeting place, but experienced here is how he managed little work low stage acoustic setup, creating perfect complement to music performed beautifully through voice, only opening them every morning before actual singing start, fills space, quietly filling area, softly filtering just touch. Warmth leaving room feeling, it moves us deeply connecting. At a moment was used black back walls turn project screen surface environmental projection during some musical pieces, reaching new depths in sound. They indeed did manage add some. Thanks for watching Church Stage Creations. If this was helpful or inspiring, please comment, share, and subscribe. You'll find all the design details and how to submit your own stage creations in the description below. Your support keeps us going. Keep creating inspiring spaces.